Hi, my name is Alice and I'm a clinical psychologist here at the Queen Elizabeth Hospital. This Mental Health Awareness Week, the theme is kindness, and I'm going to be talking to you about flexible perspective taking and kindness. Kindness is defined as the quality of being friendly, generous and considerate. This means kindness is most often thought of as acts of kindness we can do for others, because being kind to someone demonstrates true consideration and respect for them. And while it's often easy to be kind to our families, friends, colleagues and neighbours, we often struggle to be kind to ourselves and give ourselves the same consideration and respect we give to others. One way we can be more kind to ourselves is through flexible perspective taking. Flexible perspective taking is about noticing. It's about noticing our own thoughts, emotions and experiences. In practice, this means being able to take a step back from our thoughts and to notice that we can observe these experiences without becoming too caught up in them. We can see them for what they are without judging them or trying to change them, and with a recognition that our thoughts and emotions can come and go. They change and they do not have to define us. I'd like to invite you to imagine that your noticing self is like the sky, while your thoughts and feelings are like the weather. It's perhaps easy to imagine positive thoughts and feelings are like summery days when the sun is shining, and difficult, negative or painful thoughts and feelings are akin to rain clouds and stormy weather. Perhaps they're like a thunderstorm or hurricane, or feel like they hang over you like a thick dark fog. But your noticing self is like the sky. The weather changes continually, but no matter how bad it gets, the sky remains constant, and weather cannot harm the sky in any way. Even when the sky is obscured by clouds and we cannot see it, the sky is still there, and no matter how bad the weather gets, the sky always has room for it, and sooner or later, the weather always changes. I'd like to introduce you to a mindfulness activity called thought clouds. So have you ever spent time lying on the grass, looking up at the sky, watching the clouds drift by? Perhaps noticing if their shapes look like animals or other familiar things that we know. This activity is similar to that, except we're watching our thoughts go by instead of clouds. So if you're willing, take a moment to close your eyes and imagine your thoughts are like clouds floating through the sky. Each time a thought comes, see it as if it was a cloud floating by. Let your awareness be like the vast open blue sky. And each time a thought comes, it's just a cloud floating through. Some clouds might be thin and wispy and hard to grasp, and others may be dark and thick. Some may speed by quickly, while others may linger for a while. But what you'll notice is that just as with clouds, they come and go. They never last for long. So when your mind is busy and your thoughts are getting overbearing, just allow them to come and go, just as clouds floating through the sky. And when doing this, I encourage you to observe your experiences and your thoughts and your emotions from a position of compassion and kindness, no matter how difficult or painful they might be. Thank you.